Welcome to Be Pro Rider. Today we're diving into the latest and exciting announcement from Triumph, the launch of the 2025 Triumph Scrambler 900. This iconic motorcycle is making waves, and for good reason. The 2025 model continues Triumph's legacy of blending rugged off-road capability with timeless classic design. Triumph Scramble last month. Classic Scrambler look with modern features. The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 900 stays true to its roots, maintaining the iconic Scrambler look that riders have come to love. But there's a twist. Triumph has included several modern features in this year's model to ensure that it not only stands out, but also performs exceptionally well. The bike's traditional high-mount exhaust, wire-spoke wheels, and minimalist design are complemented by updated LED lighting and a fully digital instrument cluster. Performance and power. Under the hood, the Scrambler 900 is powered by a 900cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This engine delivers an impressive balance of torque and power, making it perfect for both urban commutes and weekend off-road adventures. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating rugged terrains, this bike's performance won't disappoint. Comfort and handling. One of the standout features of the 2025 Triumph Scrambler 900 is its improved comfort. With a new seat design and updated suspension system, Triumph has prioritized rider comfort for long journeys. The handling is smooth and agile, thanks to a combination of light steering and well-balanced weight distribution, making it ideal for both seasoned riders and newcomers. Technology and connectivity. The Scrambler 900 also introduces new technology features. With keyless ignition, USB charging ports, and integrated Bluetooth connectivity, Triumph is making sure riders are always connected on the go. The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 900 is a perfect blend of classic Scrambler aesthetics and modern performance. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just looking for a stylish ride for the city, this bike is built to impress. Stay tuned for more updates, reviews, and first rides here on Be Pro Rider.